Okay, hello. Welcome to the channel. It's your girl Day coming at you from the kitchen. Yeah, this is your first time watching the channel. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe because this is YouTube and that's what everybody's supposed to say. So please like, comment, say hi, subscribe. I really appreciate it. So today I got into SFX makeup. I've been watching like a couple of videos and stuff, and yeah, so I decided to make my own scar wax because I didn't want to go buy any because it was raining. So I'm going to make some out of Vaseline petroleum jelly, some flour, and a couple drops of foundation. You don't have to use foundation. I'm sorry, I'm scratching up my armpit. That's weird. You don't have to use foundation, but if you don't, it'll just be this color. As compared to this one is when I put a couple drops of my foundation, so it looks more like me. That one doesn't look like me. This one looks more like me. So it's just easier when it comes to blending. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so when you do this, it's really simple. You need 1 part Vaseline petroleum jelly, 2 parts flour. So that means if you do 1 scoop of petroleum jelly Vaseline, you need to do 2 scoops of flour. And that's exactly how I do it. When I do it, I get exactly this much. This is like a Jello shot container. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it in this little mixing bowl, and I'm using a plastic spoon. You can use whatever you got at the house. So I should have scooped my flour first. Scoop your flour first, but sure. Scoop of petroleum jelly into my bowl. Okay, 2 scoops of flour. Okay, so when you're mixing everything, scoop of flour, bam. I'm showing it to y'all because it's YouTube and we assume that people can't do basic things, you know. Yep, and another scoop of flour. So this is what we got going on in the bowl: petroleum jelly and then flour. And